Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from Revolut to ING Bank in just a few simple steps. So first you have to open the Revolut app on your phone, tap on payments at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Select bank recipient from the options, choose your country and currency. Here you have to enter your IBAN number and you have to give first and middle names and last name. Tap at recipient at the bottom. Once added, select your ING bank account from the list, verify the details, name and IBAN, and tap send. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, confirm the transaction by tapping send again, and then your money should arrive instantly in your ING bank account. So if this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.